Parehas. Relok.
Relok between number 14 and the Honda Capitan Barang Mutasa.
Amatos.
Basket by number 3.
Barangay.
At ayan, si number 20.
Pinagpayan.
Rose, leaving the ball. Pass to number 19. Long point. Air ball out of bounds. Nugget, number 20 ng Black Rose.
Ay, sir, ba't tinanggal mo?
Got the ball pass number 20.
Pansin kayo, di mo ganun.
Aya, Pars, Nugget. Big na para kay number 21. Naxonberg Ballers. To number 2, saktong-sakto. Pero ito butigan ng manda pa. Battle of the ball. And there's a whistle. Gamble out of possession para sa Black Rose. Ball setting the frame. And that's number 20, Dennis Carmen. Balik number 20 to number 3, 15 to shoot. Long wide, Nugget. Picking up by number 19. Shot clock down to 12. Number 22, pull up J. Elbow Copper. Basket for Lagan. And Dennis Carmen. Evening number 23. Renan plays off. Nugget. Bottom of the ball. Copy by number 2, Walter. Shot clock grab. Inside pass by number 24. Ball and the shot. Nugget. Copy by number 20 ng Black Rose. And there's number 20, Aya. Rose over move. Pero narasunod ng isa na number 24, Aldan. Ito is number 24, papunta ng Ilagan. Pull up game. Nugget. Big rebound para kay number 14 ng Black Rose. Ito sa number 14, dribbling the ball. Starting to play Amatos to number 22. Down to number 20. 15 seconds to shoot. Number 3, Ultaran. Shot clock down to 10. And there's a whistle. Kaya punta na number 3 from the 15-foot lane. Basket is split charity. Score si Kapatan ng ball. Balik number 12. Bang fly. Air ball. Save the ball. Amatas. Amatas down to number 20. Laser basket. Dribbling the ball. Setting the play. Shot clock 15. Falcon. Number 2, Falcon, number 7, shot clock 8. Intercepted number 20 ng Black Rose. Number 20, isang kamay, 2 sa tagumpay. Number 13, long play, basketball.
Medic.
Number 20, dribbling the ball, setting the play. Shot clock 15, inside pass. Either pull up kay Nugget, back, alam na ribang tabi ka ng bola. Mapupunta sa Black Rose, number 22. Ito, napakalaking mama nito si number 23. Sablay, bola naman kay number 23. Relak down to number 7, Palco. Palco to number 30. Di na yung pasablay, bagal ka ribang tabi ka ng bola. Out of bounds. Now, setting the play. Shot clock 15. Aya, inside pass. Nugget, rebound number 26, put back Nugget. Balik kay Aya, sablay pa rin rebound. Bola pa kay number 23. Eto kaya si number 13, Palcom. To number 30, Pace. Number 2 pala yan,